My hair gets really dry from the midsection all the way to the ends, and usually I just take some oil and run it through my hair with my fingers, but lately it hasn't been enough, so I'm trying out this egg wash that my grandmother, my Lola, recommended. It's a mixture of 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a tablespoon of coconut oil. You're gonna want to start with dry hair and parting it so that it's easier to apply the egg wash. You're also gonna need a towel just in case things get messy. You can use a brush to apply the mixture onto your hair, or you can also roll up a lock of hair and spoon the mixture into your hand, then work it into your hair. I had some leftover, so I added a bit to my roots. I tied my hair up and used cling wrap. You can also use a shower cap, just so that the eggs wouldn't dry up and harden on my head. I let my hair absorb the mixture for 30 minutes, but you can leave it on for longer if you need the extra moisture. Wash it all off. You can shampoo and condition thoroughly. And then towel and air dry. It's been a day since I did the hair mask, and my hair is so smooth and soft and bouncy, and I'm really happy with the way it came out. I talked to my grandmother this morning, and she recommends that if you shampoo 3 times a week, you should do this 2 times a week and do it on the day that you shampoo. If you have any questions, we can hook you up with our dermatologist via online consultation. So if you'd like to avail of those services, you can send us a message and we can hook you up. I hope you have a good day and are keeping safe and well.